Hi, this is Brian, and I finished hooking up the engine installed, and all wired up and hooked up, and I think ready to go. All the bare essentials are in, and I'm going to attempt to give it the first start up. So let's see, wish me luck. Great. Looks like that started up quite nicely, actually. And so now I'm just going to kind of go back over and tie up any loose ends and begin putting the body back together. Check all the fluids as well and the oil. Looks like I still need to tighten up the exhaust manifold, make sure that's sealed up real nice and tight. But other than that, I think we're looking good.